Follow along to make this quick and easy burlap bunny wreath just in time for Easter. You will need 2 different size embroidery hoops, duct tape, burlap, yarn, ribbon, and your glue gun. You'll also need a ruler and scissors later. Begin by attaching your 2 embroidery hoops. Join them where the screws are and make sure the tape is secure. Add the burlap in the hoops and trim it down. Use hot glue to secure the edges. Use your favorite ribbon to add a bow to the front. It looks nice and also covers the tape. To make your ears, cut out a 9 by 6 inch rectangle. Cut halfway down the center of the rectangle lengthwise. Trim the piece, creating a curve for the ears. Pinch the bottom together and attach it to the wreath with hot glue. Make a pom-pom from your yarn and glue it to the front. I use a simple method of wrapping it around my fingers and using a small piece to tie it in the center and then cutting the loops. Hang your bunny on your front door as a welcome to Easter. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.